Roads are starting to deteriorate out there. This will continue through the morning commute. Let's check in with NBC4's Sean Lanier. He's out there right now in the Storm Team 4 Mobile Weather Lab. Sean, what are you seeing?
Right now, we're just seeing some wet roads. I can tell you, Katie, that when we stepped outside just a little while ago, we felt the temperature drop. Very cold now compared to what it was earlier today, but now we're seeing some snow. Let's show you the roads right now. You can see the roads are wet. We haven't ran into any slick spots, but if you look kind of at the screen closely, especially at the bottom towards the ground, you can see the little white dots. That's how heavy the snow was coming down where we are. We're on 33 headed east. We're in Franklin County right now, but it's not sticking to the road, but the grassy areas, that is a different issue. We want to show you some video that we shot in Marysville earlier that shows that the snow is sticking to the grassy areas, and then the snow was coming down pretty consistently up there. It even started to stick to some of the cars. Now I was able to catch up with some drivers too who said they are ready for winter to just go away, but one, they're really appreciating this weather.
We're not, so because we've been in the military for 7 years now, so we don't come home when it's cruddy weather, because like snowing and stuff, because we just don't like to travel in it. So yeah, we're not used to the seasons anymore because the places we've lived don't have seasons. So it's nice. It's a nice change.
I'm done with it. I wish it'd just go away. I thought it did, but apparently it came back.
It's supposed to be warm by now. This is the 1st of April, maybe not 70, but 40 or 50 consistently would be nice. We're not getting that, and you're not getting it here. We're not getting it where we live either.
Turning right now onto 270, just kind of checking out the roads. Most of the snow is sticking to the grassy areas, but not on the roads. Local for you, Sean Lanier, NBC4.